Hi, this is Ken Lau. Now, this morning I saw this advertisement, right? It's looking for a competent specialist. So I look at the terms, the items there, right? I find that there's something I can contribute to the community, and that would be the nine, how to win friends and influence people. And yeah, so how to win friends, they are actually related to authentic leadership. But I just want to talk about how to win friends. Now, I am a professional Excel VBA trainer by profession, and I have helped over 4,000 organizations to learn Microsoft Excel, and they love me, they liked me. What's behind this is that I'm able to win their favor. To I have that kind of talent that's given by above. So can I do this training how to win friends and influence people? When I first started work at 20 years old, I bought a book on how to win friends and influence people by Dale Carnegie. Okay, yeah, I read the books and some ideas come, but the thing is that I didn't implement it. One thing is that's missing is that actions. Okay, and it's a book. You can't feel much from the book. But today, the world is very different. We have a lot of video tools where you can use, and a lot of great example. So what do I mean? Let's look at the second slide. How to win friends and influence people. Now, what do you notice that? Are they your friends? Certainly. But how do they become friends? Or even maybe they become a family. They feel like they are family members each other. How to do that? So I have created this course outline based on my years of experience in the real world, right? Not how to make friends with people. So it all started with an attitude, and this is the course outline. It starts with the mindset that we are all connected. We're from the same source, okay? And you know that today, if you know a friend, and then you maybe a friend you don't know, but then is that one friend that you know the other friends. So what I mean is that you know these friends, but you don't know these friends. But this friend and this friend knows. You see, they're all connected. If you not feeling happy with this unknown person, or you're not helping this unknown person, so then when you help these friends, what does that mean? You actually feel like they are not connected, but actually it is. So that will tell you the start. And my training way is that I engage them as a facilitator, more than just a trainer, as a facilitator. Of course, my second idea is to give idea. Share your skill locally, share just like this video, you just share it. You have that, you share it out locally and globally. Be a YouTuber, be a social media marketers, be a digital marketers. If you I learned from Wanda Chan, right? She first taught me that how to sell a tire, right? So tire. You don't sell the feature of the tire, right? You talk about how your customer use the tire, the experience. So I think that's a great idea, and she just gave the ideas freely. If you know Wanda Chan, right, you know she is a very giving person, and that is how she win my favor. no, she, yeah. So give out your talents, help the community, right? Even you don't need to look for a job, you have a stable job. Can you go to a LinkedIn and see who else is looking for a job, giving some ideas that can help them? For example, I saw a video resume, which is so good, right? So I look at it like many times and I thought, this should help those people looking for a job, okay? And so I have that ideas. Now let's just talk about give the ideas more. Will become a YouTube star. Go to YouTube and search for Miss Sugu Pavitra. You will find that example. We're going to talk about more. And the second idea is to give your time, energy, right? When I think about who give the time and energy most during this pandemic, the first person that came into mind is Uncle Ubi Gendang and his team, the Ubi team. So that is a great case study. We just talk about it more. And the third one is that I say that raise white flag not really helpful. Perhaps you can call up friends every day, one friend a day. Listen to them, and then I'll share about my CBC experience. And the fifth idea is about growth, right? Growing the giving attitude. The giving attitude is not one day thing. It takes discipline. It takes consistent effort. Just like Uncle Ubi Gendang, right? He earned the trust of many unknown people, unknown Malaysians, to start giving. He start a movement to giving the time, the energy, the money, and today he even have somebody who influence. He influenced somebody to give even the land to build old folks home in Pahang. What it takes is a giving attitude. It's not just one day, it's not just 1 hour, it's just that continue to give, and that cultivate the seed of giving. So his first start giving the things that he had. You don't have to be a millionaire, you don't have to be billionaire to give, right? Contrary to the the famous thought is that no, you don't need to become a millionaire. You first give anything that you have, and God will give you more from the above. Okay, so that's growth number 2. The strategy growth number 2 is to cultivate a gratitude attitude. Think about the 3 things that you are grateful for. Start with 3. If 3 you can't, put 2. And then grow into 5 things. And so I will share with you my charity experience with charity organizations. And growth number 3, join a gratitude group. Now you can always go to Facebook, social media, look for some gratitude journal group and join one. If you couldn't find one, create one. And I personally join a Microsoft trainers once a group. Over the months, we grow from a stranger to competitors to friends, and today it has fostered the relation into family. And finally, all this is just mind sharing, talking, an idea. You need to take the actions, right? So I will help you, guide you, hopefully coach you into becoming a giving person, gratitude directors, and with an action plan. So if time permits, we can create a gratitude group, and then we can go along this journey for the next 21 days or 30 days or even forever. Your choice. So How do I do the training? We use the train method. We use video, we use discussion, role play, breakout rooms in Zoom, and yes, your action plans and also a follow-up. So yes, begin with the end in mind. By the end of the training, the cause of the outcome is that you will win friends. Well, in fact, it's not about winning friends. It's about making friends. You don't win friends. You don't win. Right? Just like Uncle Moving Gadang, they can't win everybody's heart. But go with the missions. Go with the why, the bigger why. The missions. Why do you do what you do? Why do you want to help people? Think clearly that. Because one day you will need somebody help, or maybe your friends will need another person's help. Look about that. So be kind, speak kindly, help whenever you can. If you don't have money now, give out your talents. If you don't have talents, give out your money. If you don't have all these, click a share, click a like. That will help. One day it will come back to you. Okay? So thank you. God bless you. Kita jaga kita